Welcome to today's discussion on State Management Showdown, Flutter versus React Native. In this video, we'll unpack the different approaches to state management in Flutter and React Native and learn which one suits your project better. To start, let's define state. State is a set of data that React Native and Flutter use to store information between component lifecycles. Flutter uses a global store, while React Native maintains a separate store for each component. Now, let's compare the state management approaches in both platforms. 1. Flutter. Flutter is a single global store for all components, which makes it easier to manage and maintain. It also provides a single-page application SPA architecture where all the components share the same state. This leads to clean and structured code. 2. React Native. React Native supports multiple stores, each store managing the state of a specific component. This approach allows you to have separate states for different purposes, such as user authentication and data persistence. However, it requires more configuration and can lead to increased maintenance. When choosing between Flutter and React Native for your project, the choice between these two approaches largely depends on the project's requirements and the experience you want to achieve. If you want a structured, global state management solution with SPA architecture, then Flutter might be the better choice. However, if you need to use separate stores for different purposes, or want to leverage the advantages of both platforms, React Native can be a better fit. In conclusion, both Flutter and React Native have their own unique approaches to state management. The choice between the two ultimately depends on the project's needs, the experience you want to achieve, and your comfort with either the Flutter or React Native framework.